Hi students, welcome to maths class. Today we are going to continue previous chapter, that is the square roots and cube roots. In previous class we solved some problems in exercise 6.2. In exercise 6.2. Now today we are going to continuous problem, that is the fifth one. Find the smallest number by which 7766 is to be divided to get a perfect square. So this number is divided by which number, then we'll get a perfect square. So first of all we are find out the prime factorization of a 7776. So first of all this will goes to two table, 2 3 is 6, 1 remaining 17. Now this will goes to 2 8 is 16, 1 remaining 17, and also again this will goes to 2 8 is 16, 1 remaining, again this will goes to 2 8 ja and also this will goes to 2 1 ja, 1 remaining, 2 9 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 4 ja, and also this will goes to 2 9 ja 18, 1 remaining, 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4, and also again this will goes to 2 table, 2 4 ja 8, remaining 1 17, 2 8 ja 16, remaining 1 12, this will goes to 2 6 ja 12, again this will goes to 2 table, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6, this will goes to 3 table, 3 8 ja 24, 3 1 ja 3, 3 again this will goes to 3 table, 3 2 ja 6, 2 remaining 21, 3 7 ja 21, next this will goes 3 9 ja, next this will goes to 3 3 ja. Now prime factorization of 7776 is that equal to 2 into, so 2 will come how many times, 1 2 3 4 5, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 1 2 3 4 5, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now we will take a pair, we will take pair of each one. This is a one pair, this is a one pair, here one pair, here one pair. So here remaining 6 2, here remaining 3. So 7776 is divided by the 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6. Then it will get a perfect square. So therefore 7776 is divided by 6. That means 2 into 3. Then it will be a perfect square. Okay, right. Next problem. So here what is the smallest number? So smallest number is a 6. Therefore required smallest number. Therefore required smallest number, that equal to 6. Next one. Now sixth one, we are find square root by the division method. You find the square root by the division method. Already we have done in example problems. Now I will do the fourth one, third one, that is the 7744. So first of all you write this type of table, square table, that is 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 up to 9 9 36. Now so first of all we are draw a bar on two digits from right to left, two digits. Okay, right. Now we will take, so here 77, this will goes to 7 7 ja or 8 8 ja or 9 9 ja. So this will goes to 7 7 ja 49. No, so this will go to 7 8 8 ja. Yes, this will goes to 8 8 ja 64. 8 8 ja 64. So remainder is 3. Here 1. Next we will take how many digits? 2 digits. That is a 44. Now double of the 8 is a 16. So double of the quotient, that is a 16. Now this will goes to, in which table? 161 1 ja or 162 2 ja or 163 3 ja. So here last unit place digit is how much? 4. So unit place digit is 4. When we will get, that is in 8 or in 2? In 8 or 2. So 2 to the 4, 2 6 the 12, 13, 2 1 the 2, 3. And also this will goes to 168 8 or not? 8 8 the 64, 8 6 the 48, 48 6, that is a 54, 5 remaining. Next 8 1 the 8, 8 5 13. So this will goes to 168 8 ja. So that is equal to 1344. Then we will get a remainder 0. So then what is the square root of 7744 is 88. So remaining problems you do this like. Now we are going to exercise 6.3. That is the second one. You find the square roots of the following decimal numbers. You find the square roots of the following decimal numbers. That is a 2.56. So first one is a 2.56. Second one is the 18.49. Third one is the 68.89. Fourth one is the 84.64. 84.64. So how we are finding the square roots of the decimal numbers? So it is also in the same method of a actual finding the square roots of actual numbers, normal numbers. So in this I will do the third one, remaining you do. So third one is the 68.89. So in the same method, previous problems. So first of all, we draw a bar on two digits. So now here we will take the 68. This will goes to 8 8 the 64. This will goes to 8 8 the 64. So remainder is 4. So here you put the point here. Next we will take a 89. Now what is the double of the 8? 16. That is you write in a divisor place. Now this will goes to 161 1 ja or 162 2 ja or 163 3 ja. So here last digit is a 9. So this will goes to 3 3 ja 163 3 ja. 3 3 ja 9, 3 6 ja 18, 3 1 ja 3 4. So 163 3 ja 489. So remainder we will get a 0. Therefore the square root of 68.89 is equal to 8.3. So remaining you do. Okay, right.